أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is your teacher Sayyid Shahnila, and as you all know that I am teaching Environmental Studies Part 1. So we are about to begin the 8th unit, and the name of the unit is the value of food. So what does value of food means? It means that you should value your food. The food you eat, you should take care of it. You should not waste your food. You should eat only that much you are required to eat. We shouldn't eat unwillingly and more than enough. Like, we shouldn't eat in a wasteful manner, or we shouldn't serve food in our plate in a wasteful manner. And firstly, you should eat healthy food. We should avoid eating junk food which are hazardous for our health. So let's get started for the unit. So the name of the unit is the value of food. Arjun and Varsha are brother and sister. Who are Arjun and Varsha? Arjun and Varsha are siblings. They are brother and sister. They love to eat hot bajra bhakris with butter. What do they love to eat? They love to eat bajra bhakri with butter. मतलब बाजरा की रोटी वो और भाकरी बटर से खाना पसंद करते हैं. Mother makes a number of other dishes for them to eat with bhakris. They like those too. So what does mother make? Mother makes many number of dishes, many number of sabzis or curries with for them to eat with bhakri. They like those too. Now can you tell what could be those dishes that mother makes to go with bhakris? What are those dishes made from? What could mother make to eat with bhakri? She can make sabzi, curry, which is salan, and chutney, pickle, and many more things to eat with bhakri. What are those dishes? What are the sabzis, curries made from? Let's see that. In Varsha and Arjun's home, they use a lot of other foodstuffs too. From where they are obtained? Where are they obtained? They are obtained from farms or markets. From markets. And where do we get those vegetables from? Basically, we get it from farms. So in Varsha and Arjun's home, they use a lot of foodstuffs, lot of vegetables and meat also to make sabzi or curries. So wheat, rice, jowar, pulses, sugarcane. Wheat, jowar. From wheat and jowar we make rotis and bhakris. From rice we make. From sugarcane we get sugar. Now karvanda, jamun, bor, honey. Karvanda we make pickle of karvanda. हम करवंदा से क्या बनाते हैं? अचार. जामुन हम वैसे ही खाते हैं as a fruit itself. It's very healthy, especially for the patients of diabetes. बोर मतलब बेर भी हम वैसे ही खाते हैं. इवन उसको we use dried boars to make a kind of dessert. Honey is very healthy for our health. Salt water fish and salt. Salt water fish मतलब नदी के. Salt water रिजर्वायर्स और सोर्सेस ऑफ वाटर किसको बोलेंगे? जिसमें सॉल्टी वाटर रहता है, जैसे ओशंस एंड सीज, उसमें सॉल्टी वाटर होता है. एंड फ्रेश वाटर किसको बोलेंगे? फ्रेश वाटर रिवर्स और लेक्स को फ्रेश वाटर बोलेंगे. फ्रेश वाटर फिश, सिंघाड़ा, इसको इंग्लिश में वाटर चेस्टनट्स बोलते हैं. मखानास, लोटस विच आर कॉल्ड लोटस सीड्स. Fruits and vegetables, meat and eggs. So these all foodstuffs are used at Arjun and Varsha's home. Often when serving Varsha and Arjun a meal, mother says, take only as much as you want. Food shouldn't get wasted. I have told you earlier as well that we should avoid wasting food, and we should serve in our plate only that we are about to eat, or we only require that much amount. हमने एक्स्ट्रा पूरी प्लेट फुल भर के नहीं लेना चाहिए. प्लेट फुल भर के कब लेना चाहिए? जब हम उतना खाते हैं. अदरवाइज वी शुड अवॉइड वेस्टिंग फूड. One day, Arjun asked her, Mother, why do you tell this to us every day? Why? What did Arjun ask her mother? Why do you tell this every day to us? मतलब ये आप रोज क्यों बोलते हैं कि आप थोड़ा ही लो, जितना खाएंगे उतना ही लो? Why? He wanted to ask why does his mother ask them to do it every day? So mother answered, why should we waste any good things? Besides, we must give a thought to how we get the food we eat. Let me tell you the story of a bhakri. What did mother answer? Mother said, why should we waste any good things? Mother, we should avoid wasting good things. Besides, we must give a thought of how we get the food with. She wanted to tell them that so much efforts are required to get the food we eat. So we should avoid wasting the food. Let me tell you the story of a bhakri. She wanted to tell them the story of a bhakri. Now let's begin the story of a bhakri. So bhakri is narrating its story. You know, Dada, my father is a farmer, and you know that schools have summer vacation. Schools में कौन सी vacations होती? Summer vacations. When I was small, we often went to my father's fields riding on his tractor. When he was small, he used to go with his father to a field to get a ride on a tractor. What would be the time for reading the fields? What would be the time for reading the fields? Summer is the time for reading the fields. क्यों? समर में सारे फील्ड्स को रेडी कर देते, मतलब प्लोइंग, हार्वेस्ट सब रेडी कर लेते, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट सीजन जो होता है वो रेनी सीजन होता है. रेनी सीजन में हमें सोइंग करनी होती है. दैट्स व्हाई वी शुड कीप आवर फार्म्स रेडी इन समर. फादर would attach different implements to the tractor to carry out various farming tasks. मतलब it means that tractor को different implements according to the need उसको लगाते हैं, then उसमें plowing करते हैं, then उसमें sowing करते हैं, then उसे harvesting करते हैं. First we would plow the fields and then crush the lumps of soil. What they used to do? They used to plow the fields. Then they used to crush the lumps of soil. जो soil के ढेकले होते हैं उसको crush करते थे ट्रैक्टर से और प्लोअर से. Finally, he would level the field to make it ready for sowing. What then father used to do? He used to the pre-monsoon showers would make the hot soil humid. That was the time father would sow bajra. प्री मानसून शावर्स मतलब पहली जो बारिश होती है वो जो गर्म मिट्टी होती है उसको वो ह्यूमिड कर देती है, मॉइस्ट कर देती है, गीला कर देती है. और वही टाइम पे फादर बाजरा पेरते हैं और पेरते थे. Within some days the bajra seeds sprout and the seedlings are often seen above the ground. Along with bajra, weeds also flourish, but they have to be removed. My father would employ laborers to do that. The laborers would have to be paid. Within some days, the bajra seeds sprout. With a few more rains, bajra would sprout from the ground. And with that, weeds एक टाइप का प्लांट होता है, उसके साथ weeds भी निकलते हैं. आपने जंगली घास सुना होगा ना, जंगली घास भी निकलता है, लेकिन वो जंगली घास को निकालना पड़ता है ऑल टाइम, बिकॉज उससे क्रॉप्स को नुकसान होता है. दे आर हार्मफुल फॉर द प्लांट, सो दे हैव टू बी रिमूव्ड. बट दे हैव टू बी रिमूव्ड. माय फादर वुड एम्प्लॉय लेबरर्स टू डू दैट. एक पर्सन की बस की बात है कि नो, सो ही यूज्ड टू एम्प्लॉय लेबरर्स, ही यूज्ड टू एम्प्लॉय वर्कर्स टू डू द अदर वर्क्स. The laborers will have to be paid. कोई फुकट में काम करता है कि no, so they have to be paid. The laborers have to be paid. So the father used to employ laborers to remove the weeds from the field. Rainwater is enough for bajra to grow vigorously. What it does, it means that rainwater जो बारिश का पानी है वो sufficient है बाजरा की growth के लिए. We don't need sprinklers for this purpose. We don't need more water for बाजरा को कम ही पानी में बाजरा का प्रोडक्शन अच्छा निकलता है. After a while, Ears of bajra would appear on every stalk. The grains forms and the ears grow fuller. As the grains grow, birds come in flocks to eat the tender grains. Then, after a while, ears of bajra, बाजरा के भुट्टे, ears of bajra मतलब बाजरे के भुट्टे निकलने लगते हैं, and they grow fuller within few days more. Within more days वो fuller growth हो जाती है उनकी. Now the birds come in flocks to eat the tender grains. Birds eat that grains. So how to avoid the birds eating these grains? The scarecrows have to be set up and slingshots used to frighten the birds away. आपने खेत में देखा होगा कि वो scarecrow वो पुतला लगाते हैं. वो पुतला लगाते उससे क्या होता है, बर्ड्स भाग जाते हैं. एंड बुलेट से भी बर्ड्स को पत्थर मारते हैं, तो इससे भी बर्ड्स भाग जाते हैं. Then scarecrows have to be set up and slingshots used to frighten the birds away. Why? Because otherwise the birds will eat all the grains and we will have no grains to eat. So when the ears of corn are full, it is the harvest time. When the ears of the corn are full, पूरे फूल हो चुके होते हैं, then it's the time to harvest them. It's the time to remove the plants, to remove the corns from the plants. That is, all the ears of bajra must be cut and gathered. Then all the ears of bajra has to be cut down and to be gathered in flocks. Then follows threshing and winnowing. What is threshing and winnowing? We will see in the next unit or the next videos. Varsha said, I understood cutting and gathering, but what is threshing and winnowing? So mother said, alright, do what I tell you and you will see. We will continue with the story later. Likewise, we will continue the video later. I hope you have understood what I have taught you. Here I am signing off. Jazakallah khairan for listening.